All right, so we're looking at how you can tell if a graph matches an equation. So look, if we're given the equation y equals 0.5x, and we want to know if this graph matches the equation or if this graph matches the equation. Do these points make this true, or is it these points that make this true? So what we're going to do is just test out some coordinate points. So on this graph, the first coordinate point is 0, 0. So when so for coordinate point 0, 0, the first one is x and the second number is y. So I'm going to replace the x with the 0, and I'm going to replace the y with a 0. And then I'm going to see if this is still true. Remember, this means multiplication. When a number and a variable are next to each other, it means to multiply. So this is saying 0 is equal, and we're asking a question, is it equal to 0.5 times 0? Well, half of 0 is still 0, so yes, that checks out. Now we're going to try the next point. The next point is 1, 1. So for coordinate 1, 1, I have y equals 0.5x. Y is 1. 0.5x is 1. Well, is 1 equal? Half times 1 is 1/2. Is 1 equal to 1/2? No. So this is not true. That is not a valid point of this equation. 1, 1 does not fit this equation. It's not a valid point for that equation, so it does not work. So we're going to try again with graph B. We already know 0, 0 works. That checks out. So we're going to move to the next point. The next point, x is 2, y is 1. So when x is 2, y is 1, and we want to see if the equation holds true. So 1 is 1 equal to, half of 2 is 1. 1 does equal 1, so this checks out. So now we're going to check the final point. When x is 4, y is 2, and we're checking y equals 0.5x. So x is 4, y is 2. Does 2 equal half of 4? 0.5 times 4 is 2. So yes, that checks out. So that means these points are all solutions of this original equation. So the answer would be B.